Hello friends! In today's video we are thrifting for more outdoor decor. However, it's going to be an object that you usually see inside. We are going to be looking for teacups and saucers to turn into planters. It's a great gift idea or a gift for yourself. So let's go see what we can find. To find our special teacups and saucers, I decided to give old Goodwill a try. I was pleased to see that there were a lot of options available. Them taping the teacup to the saucer is a new thing. I've noticed it in a few stores, which has its pros and cons, but I was finding a lot of cute options and for decent prices. What's so fun about thrifting is that you never know what you're gonna find. For example, this adorable tiny cup and saucer for $1.39. And when you're planning to give this as a gift, knowing what their interests are or a color that they love or something that just speaks to them as an individual, sometimes you're going to find these things randomly at the store, and that just makes it all the more exciting. What wonderful timing to discover this cup that said mom, and for 89 cents, absolutely a score. They had some floral options and some humorous options too. As you can see, when searching for these things, I didn't just stick to teacups. That would have kept my options kind of limited. So the mugs are an option, as well as these dishes here. These can make excellent planters. Now, I am going to be drilling holes into these. When I've done this project in the past, I did not do that. My plants lasted a decent amount of time. However, if you're planning on having them for a while, you're going to need some drainage holes. Since this was my first time drilling holes into items like this, I didn't want to go too crazy with the fine china options, just in case. I don't think it's always necessary to have the saucer with the teacup or mug, but it certainly does just elevate the look of the decoration a little bit more. I was able to come away with some goodies, so let's head back to the house and put these planters together. You might have noticed, but in the background of me sharing the thrift haul, my husband was working on drilling a hole into our first cup. And after figuring out the type of pressure that was needed, the rest of the cups were a breeze. But this first one did take a little longer since we were new to the process. In order to drill a hole into glass or ceramics, be sure that you have the proper drill bit to do so. You need one that is specifically for drilling into these items. Now that we have our teacups and we have also put holes into them for drainage. I've made these before without putting holes, and the flowers or plants or succulents don't thrive as well. I wouldn't say it's impossible to do if you do it right, but it is much easier if they have some drainage. Here we have our cutie little teacups ready for their succulents. And I did my best to pick out some succulents that had a couple of plants in each of them, and with succulents they're very easy to propagate as well. I do have some around the yard that I could pull from, but for the purpose of this video and giving as gifts, I wanted them to be a little more filled out. I think I'm gonna start with this little one. It's just so cute, and I was thinking about it, and I feel like one of these would fit nicely in there because they sort of remind me of some fish scales or fins, so I felt like that would be fitting in that little cup. So we'll just separate this guy like so, and I may not even need to really add much additional soil. When I've done this before, I put some carbon on the bottom and some rock, a little bit of gravel and soil, so that could be something that we could add for this. now that we have our cups filled, they are pretty cute as is, if I do say so myself. But I am a big fan of leveling up things around here, and that really just means how can we take it to another level in terms of the way we style it or decorate with it. So what we're going to be doing are using chains, and we're going to glue them to the cups, and that way you can hang these if you so pleased to do that. Other ideas for your teacup planters are to pair them with a saucer and add in a little piece of jewelry or a special handkerchief, just something that gives it that extra special touch. We are gonna attempt to add some chains onto these so we could hang them potentially. I haven't done this before with these, but I thought it would be worth a try. So I've got this chain here that I picked up from Michael's, and then I actually just couldn't resist getting this one too. I thought it was very nice and elegant looking for the teacups. And then I'm gonna be gluing it with this E6000 glue, and then I saw that they had this jewelry and bead. I don't think it's anything different in terms of the formula, but what I do think I'm gonna love are these applicators, or the tips that you can use to apply the glue. It just seemed nice and precise, and I like that. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you feel inspired to get out there and thrift or create something. If you enjoy thrifting and doing projects for your home and garden, be sure to subscribe so we can hang out again. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I will see you next time.